If you want to remove your profile photo on WhatsApp on an Android phone, let's do it together. Go to your WhatsApp setting by clicking on the three dots on top right corner. Now click on settings. Now what you have to do is click on the profile photo that is visible or the name, right? You can right away delete the photo or you can click again and delete the photo again. Let's do it. Now tap on your name or the photo. You will get something like this where your information, your status, everything is here. Click on the photo again, the circle one where your profile photo is visible. It is open and you have to click on the pen on top right corner besides that shape. Once you tap on it, you will get something like this profile photo written on the lower part. Now, if you want to remove it, you just have to do one thing, that is to click on that shape that I have selected right now. So it will show remove photo, right? Then the photo will be removed. That is kind of like dustbin like shape, so it means that it will be deleted. Now, if you want to click the photo right away and put it as your profile picture or get it from the gallery or get an avatar, so you can do it by clicking on these three things: camera, gallery and avatar. Okay, now let's remove the photo. I've clicked on the delete icon and here it is showing remove profile photo question mark. I'll click on remove photo. If I cancel it, it will not be deleted. If I click on remove photo like I have done, so the photo has been removed as it was also showing. Now it is totally blank, the photo has been removed. What we will do now to bring it back, we will click on the that photo again, the profile photo which is blank, and we will get the options again, right? Camera, gallery, avatar. You can also click on that camera thing, right, to get those option. Now the camera is on and I'm clicking this random picture of wall and making it as my profile picture. We can retry like I have just done. So I'm taking the picture of fan now and let's click it. You can use the camera features as you are aware of it. You will click on OK and you will select the area, the square area, and yes, the photo is here. That's how it is done. Very simple, very easy. And you can take it from gallery as well. I have removed it again. See, very easy it is to remove a photo. It depends how you want it to be. So yes, that's it. If you have any queries, drop in the comment section and we will learn how to take profile photo from gallery or make an avatar in another video. So stay updated. See you in the next video. Ta-da!